Hey guys, how are you? Happy Thursday. It's Samantha coming to you live from my treatment room. Today, I want to take some knowledge that I gained from you, and I want to show you how to properly exfoliate. A couple weeks ago, I had an opportunity to speak at a library to help a group of women bust some beauty myths and just kind of give them some information on how to take care of their dry skin this winter. And one of the biggest takeaways that I had is that everybody that's looking for skin information, it's because they don't know how to take care of their skin. Most people don't properly care for their skin because they don't even know where to begin. Nobody has told them. There's so much information out there in social media or just advertisements and stuff that everybody doesn't even know where to start, and we're so overwhelmed with information that it's insane. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to properly exfoliate, because exfoliation is key to getting rid of dead skin cells and dead skin buildup. Hey Holly, how are you? So one of the coolest things that I want to share with you today is there's 3 different types of exfoliants. There's a scrub, which everybody's familiar with. There's enzymes, which some of you have heard of and others of you have not. And then there's the third, which is gommage. And that's a French word, and it's French for erase. And the French use it almost as a rubbing action, like you're erasing, like you're using an eraser on your skin. So it's cool because with a gommage, you don't need any water. You don't scrub it, you put it on, you let it sit. And then when it's done, you can flake it off. You need no water. And the coolest thing about that is there's so many chemicals in our water that's what's causing a lot of these skin problems like dermatitis, eczema, psoriasis. Some of it's because there's so many chemicals in our water. Yes, some of it is from internal, but a lot of it can be from what we're using or what our water has in it. So there's so many different factors out there right now that's causing these skin problems. But anyways, today I just want to focus on exfoliation. I can do another video on that alone, but I'm not going to do that today. Anyways, with the gommage, I'm letting it dry. I just put it on my one hand, but I'm going to show you how to apply it on the other hand. So the gommage, that die out. Okay, sorry, my phone started ringing. With the gommage, it's light. It doesn't use any scrubbing. It doesn't irritate or harm the skin. The problem with scrubs, and the reason I don't recommend scrubs to any of my clients, is because most people over exfoliate, or you cause micro tears in the skin when you're rubbing. Because most people, they rub it into their face, or you're like scrubbing it to get that dead skins. You're thinking that you're getting your dead skin cells off. Our skin naturally exfoliates itself. As we produce new skin cells, it pushes the old ones off. Unfortunately, sometimes they do get stuck, and they do create a buildup. So if you're not exfoliating at all, you probably have dead cell buildup. So you do want to exfoliate to get rid of that. So it's kind of, and you want to think of exfoliation as guiding the skin cells off. Think of leaves sitting on a sidewalk in the fall. They pile up and they pile up and they pile up, and then it eventually gets to the point where you can't see the sidewalk anymore. That's how our dead skin cells build up on our surface. So the exfoliant should just be like we're brushing those dead leaves away, so that way we can reveal the sidewalk or our freshly exfoliated skin. Or not exfoliated skin, but our fresh skin cells that are basically our skin's barrier. So that's the point of an exfoliant, not to scrub off skin, not to peel anything away, just to remove the dead cell buildup. So I'm going to show you with my gommage, I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm just going to do 1 pump. And really for your face, that's all you need. So it's going to be a little heavy on my hand, but for today's purposes, it's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub it in. But when I rub it in, what I'm doing is I'm just spreading it. And that's it. I don't want to keep rubbing it. I don't want to keep, just scrubbing it in. I just want to get a nice light coat on the back of my hand. The gommage has a little enzyme in there, so what it's doing is it's dissolving the glue that's holding those unwanted dead skin cells on. So once it dries, because it takes about 3 to 5 minutes to dry, it looks like this. And so it's cool because you just start like flaking it off your face. Or yeah, I'm doing my hand, but when you do it on your face, you flake it off. And you just play with it. It'll come, this isn't completely dry, but it's really neat because it's really thick still. I put it too thick in certain places, but I wanted to show you. But you see how it's starting to flake off and look like that? And that's what you want to do. You want to think of like pencil eraser, basically, because like I said, gommage means eraser. But you just want to flake it off. I'm going to keep flaking this off as I'm talking. But you want to do that so that way it's taking off the unwanted cells and it's leaving your skin's barrier intact. When your skin's barrier is intact, it can function properly, and then you don't have any problems with skin irritation, skin inflammation. You don't have redness or irritation involved. So that's why it's so important to leave your skin's barrier intact. So I'm going to keep playing with this, but I'm going to let you guys go. If anybody has any questions about the Gommage or about the different types of exfoliants out there, put your comments in the comment section below, or you can shoot me an email, Samantha@skindeepil.com. And don't forget to hop on my newsletter list. It goes out every Monday. You can get on my newsletter list on my website, skindeepil.com. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Have a great rest of your Thursday, and I will see you tomorrow for another tip of the day.